Have you ever felt like your paycheck is gone before you can even spend it? Or when you think about saving for retirement, it feels like you need a fortune to live comfortably after you stop working. Well, what if I told you that you don't need millions of dollars invested to achieve financial freedom and retire comfortably? In fact, with as little as $120 per week, you can not only make up for your paycheck struggles, but also build a retirement fund that surpasses what you'd earn working a 9 to 5 job. Today, I'm going to show you how investing $120 per week into SCCHD, the Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF, could change your financial future. Stick around to see how this simple, consistent investment strategy can help you reach a portfolio value of over $2 million and generate over $180,000 in dividends annually. Sounds incredible, right? Let's dive in. SCHD, or the Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF, is a powerful and unique ETF that was launched in 2011. Since its inception, it's become one of the most popular dividend-focused ETFs available. SCHD offers a combination of stable, high-quality companies with a solid history of paying and increasing dividends. But what exactly does that mean for you? Well, this ETF is designed to track the Dow Jones US Dividend 100 Index. That's a carefully selected group of companies that pass a strict criteria to ensure they not only pay reliable dividends, but grow them year after year. So, what makes SCHD stand out in a crowded field of ETFs? Most dividend ETFs simply focus on stocks with high dividend yields, but that can come with higher risks. SCHD takes a different approach by focusing on quality over quantity. They don't just look for the highest yields. They prioritize companies that are financially healthy and have a history of consistently increasing their dividends. That's why SCHD's focus on solid, reliable companies makes it appealing to both income investors and those looking to grow their wealth over time. The companies included in SCHD must meet 3 specific criteria. First, they must have a history of paying dividends for at least 10 consecutive years. That ensures the companies are committed to returning capital to shareholders. Second, these companies must show a history of dividend growth, meaning they not only pay dividends but also increase them over time. This is a strong indicator that the companies are stable and growing. Lastly, they must be financially strong. SCHD evaluates companies based on metrics like return on equity and free cash flow to ensure only financially sound companies are included in the fund. Now, you may be wondering, which companies are part of SCCHD's diversified portfolio? Some of the top holdings include huge, well-known companies like Home Depot, BlackRock, Cisco, Lockheed Martin, Pfizer, and Texas Instruments. These companies span across industries like technology, healthcare, consumer goods, and finance. That gives you exposure to a wide variety of sectors, reducing your risk while still giving you access to companies with strong dividend growth potential. So, how has SCHD performed over time? Since its inception in 2011, SCCHD has consistently outperformed many other ETFs and indexes, particularly when it comes to dividend returns. For example, over the past 10 years, SCHD has provided a price return of over 120%, while also delivering dividends that outperform many other stocks and ETFs. While this return may not be as high as the S&P 500, SCHD's higher dividend yield makes it especially attractive for investors looking for consistent income. SCCHD has a relatively low expense ratio of just 0.06%, which keeps your costs down and maximizes your returns. It also has a low volatility compared to the broader market, with a beta of 0.9. This means it's less likely to experience big swings in price. So, while the market may be volatile, SCHD offers a cushion of stability, which is why it's appealing for long-term investors who want consistent returns. Now let's talk numbers. You may think $120 a week isn't much, but when you look at the power of compounding and consistent investing, it's actually a strategy that could grow into something life-changing. Investing $120 each week into SCHD could snowball into a portfolio worth over $2 million by the time you retire. And the best part? You'll also be earning over $180,000 per year in dividends, giving you a monthly income of more than $15,000 just from your investments. This is where the magic happens. By consistently investing $120 per week into SCHD, you're not just investing for capital appreciation, but also building a steady stream of income through dividends. This income grows as the companies in SCHD increase their payouts over time. The beauty of this strategy is that the dividends you earn are reinvested to buy more shares, which generates even more dividends. This creates a snowball effect, leading to exponential growth in both your portfolio value and your income. Let's take a look at what your investment could look like after some time. If you invest $120 a week into SCHD, here's how the numbers break down. In 5 years, your portfolio could be worth around $4,136. In 10 years, it could grow to $14,999. And after 20 years, your portfolio might reach $558,000. But the real magic happens when you reach the 30-year mark. By the time you retire, your portfolio could be worth over $2.6 million. At that point, your dividends alone would pay you around $5,450 a year. That's more than $15,000 per month. So, how does $120 per week become more than enough to surpass a full-time job income? It's all about compounding and consistency. Even with a modest contribution of $120 a week, over the course of decades, you will build a portfolio that generates enough passive income to replace your paycheck. In fact, you'll eventually be earning far more in dividends than you would working a full-time job. This is a game-changing strategy for anyone who wants to take control of their financial future without relying on a traditional paycheck. Let's break it down even further. If you were to invest $120 per week for the next 30 years, by the time you're ready to retire, you'll have built a portfolio worth over $2.6 million. With this kind of wealth, you could live comfortably without ever having to worry about working another day in your life. That's the power of long-term investing with a strategy like SCHD. Now, you may have heard that SCHD recently underwent a stock split, reducing its share price. But don't worry, this doesn't mean your investment value has decreased. A stock split just means the number of shares you own increases, but the value of your total holdings stays the same. This allows the shares to appear more affordable without impacting the overall value of your investment. If you're new to investing, don't let the term stock split intimidate you. It's simply a way to make shares more accessible to investors. Now that you see how investing in SCHD can help you replace your full-time job income, you might be wondering, how do I get started? The process is simple. All you need to do is set up an investment account with a brokerage firm such as Schwab, Fidelity, or any other platform that offers access to SCHD. Once you've set up your account, start investing consistently, $120 per week, or however much you're comfortable with. Over time, you'll see your portfolio grow and your dividend income will increase. So, to recap, investing just $120 per week into SCHD can transform your financial future. You don't need to make huge sacrifices or live on a strict budget to start building wealth. By committing to regular, consistent investments, you can unlock the power of compounding and dividend growth. Over time, this strategy will not only surpass your current job income, but it can provide you with the financial security and independence you've always dreamed of. Start now and let your future self thank you. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit from this strategy. And don't forget to check out the other videos on our channel for more personal finance tips and investment strategies to help you achieve financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.